Today, we're exploring the journey of Payton Leutner, who survived the horrific 2014 Slender Man stabbing in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Her story is one of incredible resilience and healing. From a 2-year-old victim fighting for her life to a young woman pursuing her dreams, her transformation has been profound. So, where is Payton Leutner now? Let's find out. Payton Leutner was a typical 2-year-old girl when she was lured into the woods by her two friends and stabbed 19 times in an attempt to appease the fictional character, Slender Man. She survived the near-fatal attack by crawling to a nearby path, where a passing cyclist found her and called emergency services. One stab wound missed a major artery near her heart by the width of a human hair. Her recovery was a long process, involving a 10-day hospital stay, 6 hours of emergency surgery, and months of physical and emotional healing through counseling. Despite the trauma, she returned to middle school in September 2014 and excelled academically, also participating in music programs and volunteering at an animal shelter. In 2019, Leutner spoke publicly for the first time in an interview with ABC News, stating she was ready to reclaim her story. She shared that she still slept with a pair of broken scissors under her pillow as a precautionary measure, but expressed gratitude for what happened, saying the ordeal inspired her future plans. She planned to attend college and pursue a career in the medical field, a goal inspired by the doctors and nurses who saved her life. She enrolled in college and has been studying to become a therapist. Where is Payton Leutner now? As of now, Payton Leutner is living a private life with her family and continues to pursue her academic and career goals. Her exact location remains private to ensure her safety and privacy. When one of her attackers, Morgan Geyser, temporarily escaped a group home in November 2025, a spokesperson for the Leutner family confirmed that Payton and her family were safe and working closely with local law enforcement to ensure their continued safety. The family maintains that Leutner is determined to put everything behind me and live my life normally. Payton Leutner has transformed from a victim of a horrific crime into a powerful symbol of survival and resilience. Her story is a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the ability to find purpose even after enduring immense trauma. She is focused on her future, using her experience as a foundation for a career helping others. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people who redefine themselves after faith, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.